This is your teacher Chirag. Today we are going to start the second chapter of our English grammar.
Start.
So students, we are starting with this chapter number 2, nouns, gender. But before that, I want you to match your answers with the homework that I gave you in the previous tutorial. So this was the homework, student. Match the following. Okay. First one was done by me in the previous one. Cattle will be matched with drove. Okay. It is the collective nouns if you remember. Soldiers will be matched with platoon because a group of soldiers is called as platoon. Thieves will be matched with gang. Objects will be matched with collections. Flies will be matched with swarm, and experts will be matched with panel. Okay, because a group of expert is known as panel. Okay, now moving on to our main chapter here, chapter number 2, nouns, gender. Dan has made an album of his family and farm. He has labeled each picture. Take a look. Here you see, here's a boy Dan who has made his family album. So let's see. Grandfather and grandmother, father and mother, uncle, aunt with cousins, cow, bull and calf at the farm, tractor at the farm, workers at the farm. Here you see the words in blue are common noun. Obviously you know these all words are common noun, but grandfather, father, uncle and bull are all male, so they belong to masculine gender. Okay, here we are talking about gender. So first one is masculine gender. What is masculine gender? Masculine gender means the noun words that represent male person or animal. So here you see grandfather, father, uncle, bull, these all are male, so they are masculine gender. Next, grandmother, mother, aunt and cow are female, so they belong to the feminine gender. Here you see the next gender here is feminine gender. What is feminine gender? The noun words that represent female person or animal is known as feminine gender. Like the words grandmother, mother, aunt, cow, these all are female. The noun cousin, worker and calf do not tell us if they are male or female. They belong to the common gender. So what is common gender? Common gender are the noun words that do not represent male or female gender. Okay, it can be both. Like cousins, cousin can be male also and female also. Similarly, workers, they can be male or female. A tractor is a non-living thing. All non-living things belong to the neuter gender. So what is neuter gender? Noun words that represent non-living things are known as neuter gender. Like tractor, you can also take example of wood or axe. These words are neuter gender. Moving on, here is a box given to you with some example with female and male. You see, female is nun, male monk, heroine, hero, landlady, landlord. Similarly, for animals it is given cattle, cow, tiger, tigress, lion, lioness. These are the example that are given to you. Okay, now you see, I want to give you some homework. Okay, what you have to do is, these are the noun words, right? King, mayor. You have to replace them with their opposite gender. Like first one I have done for you. The king rides a black mare. You see, what is mare? Mare is the female of horse. So it will become the queen rides a black horse. Similarly, you have to do the remaining ones. Now in this you see, read the passage, write the words in color in the correct column. Here is a passage given to you. You have to find out masculine, feminine, common, neuter gender from this given passage. You see, masculine I have found princess. First word here is princess. It will go in feminine. Parents, parents will go in common. Prince will go in masculine. Brother will go in, where will brother go? Brother will go in masculine as well. A fierce monster attacked their kingdom. Monster will go in common. Okay, now I want to ask you something. Where would helmet go? Okay, helmet here is a what? Neuter gender. It is a non-living thing, so it will go in neuter gender. Similarly, you have to find out others also. Moving on, this is the C exercise. Tick the correct common gender noun. One has been done for you. You have to tell the common noun of these. Mother or father, what are they? Parents or person? They are always, mother or father are parents, so you have to tick the word parent here. Brother or sister, they are siblings. Okay, so you have to tick siblings here. Now tell me, husband or wife, where will they go? Child or spouse? They will go with spouse. Okay, because they are not child, na? Next is boy or girl, it will go with child. King or queen will go with ruler. Male or female baby will go with infant. Infant means newborn baby. Man or woman will go with person. Cock or hen will go with fowl. Okay, so student, this was the chapter. I want you to complete the homework that I have given you. I will meet you in the next tutorial. Thank you.